Hello friends, this is Chetan Shrikant Vani from App Resources Private Limited. Today we will see how to create your account in our HR software My Online HR Manager. In our app, go to HR software, start your free trial. App link will be provided in description. So once you have clicked in the app HR software, you will be redirected to this link. Then you have to write your company name, then your name, then company email ID. This would be your registered email ID in this software. So the further communication regarding the software will be sent on this email ID. Then mobile number, then which city you are from and how many employees do you have. Then you have to just click on create new account. So the mobile number is all should not be in use. Okay. Once you have created your account, you will receive this message. Please click on create password link sent in your email ID to create password. Then you have to log on to the email ID which you have registered, and you will receive an email, verification email, to create a password. Now see, you have received an email, create password. Just create on that. It will give a tab of create password. Click on that. Now create your own password. Verify that. That's it. So now this is your login link. So this was a one-time activity. You have to create your account only once. Then use your login credential here. If you can't find this email, if you want to find this link, you can refer your email of create password. We have provided the login link there also. Then type the registered email ID and the password which you created and login. So you will see that your account has been created. It's a new account. So we will now just have a look on update profile. So from here you can update your profile, change your password, and you can sign out. So we'll click on update profile. Here you can update your address, your company email, your website, your state, PIN code, number of employees, PAN number, GST number, tax TAN number, PF registration, ESIC, PT, LWF registration number in case you have. In case you don't have, you can leave this blank. Then here you can upload your logo which will be reflected in your software, and there is also a provision that you can make your letterhead. So we have given the recommended size for the letterhead, which is 900 into 200. You have to upload here, and then that can be used as your letterhead. After that, you have to just click on update. So your profile has been updated. So in this way, you have to create your account.